We are now present in 400 plus locations, and we are catering to 4 lakh plus students across India. So in Goa, we are currently serving 5 locations: Panjim, Margao, Mapsa, Ponda, and Vasco. And we are serving more than 2200 students in Goa alone. So looking into the results of Aakash Institute in Goa, we last year in NEET exam, our 86 students secured MBBS seats, and out of these 86 students, 83 students are in GMC Goa, and 3 students took admission at various locations in India, like Bangalore. And in JEE mains result, which was recently declared, we found that our 33 plus students have scored more than 90 percentile, and the best percentile that we got this year is 99.89 percentile, which is in itself a landmark. So we had been doing very good in Goa, and we want to spread our presence to all the locations of Goa, looking into the requirement of the parents and students. For example, when we take admissions, the parents from Saklim, Bicholim, Valpoi, they come to us to take admission, but they requested us that we should be present there because it's quite a distance, more than 20 kilometers, and the students have to commute continuously. And we have seen this in the results of our students, that we get very good students from these locations, but due to the long distance and the travel issues, they find it difficult to cope up with the study and traveling and commuting. So looking into all those requirements, we were we were trying to make our presence feel in Valpoi, Bicholim, and Saklim area, and we tried to reach out this area, and now we are in the process of collaborating with Bharat Academy, which comes under SNI Society, and soon we'll be starting our operations there in collaboration with the school. So Aakash Institute provides its services through best of the using the best of the faculties which are available. Our study material is excellent. We provide booklets, modules, question papers, question booklets, test papers. There are different test series which the students use. Particularly, if I talk about All India Aakash test series, it gives an opportunity to the students to compete with the best of the best across India, so that they can understand their position in all India level competitions like JEE mains and NEET. So we want all these services. We want the students of Saklim, Bicholim, Valpoi area to benefit from the expertise of Aakash Institute, so that they can get the best possible education and compete with the best of the best in India, as well as get admission in the best colleges of India. So I hope that this collaboration will be definitely a boon to the students of these areas, and definitely I pray to God that we serve them in the best possible manner. Thanks.
Yes, Bharat Academy is a new higher secondary that is starting at Sakri, and that is in the housing board area. We are collaborating with Aakash Institute, which is a blessing to us as well, because we know that our students from Sakri, as Sir said, Sakri area, Valpoi area, Bicholim area, all were traveling all the way from this area till Panjim, and we know how hectic it is for us as adults to travel and then get back home. And just think about students who go to higher secondaries in the morning, finish their higher secondaries, and then again have to travel all the way to Panjim, get back at 7:30. I don't think they must be having any energy to even left to study. So this is going to be a very helpful thing that is going to help the students in our area. And even last year, if you see Master Surlakar, who has topped the rank or the exam. So yes, we definitely wanted to do something for our students in that area, and what best than this. So yes, thank you. It's going to go really good.
Any questions? How many students you have
In
So in terms of result, if we see, we had 86 students last year who got into GMCs, government medical colleges, 83 in Goa and 3 outside Goa. And in engineering from the same location where we are starting, Sanklem, we had a student going into IITs. So Krishan was our student who got into IIT from that region.
Pardon?
Location of our college, it's going to be housing board area, Sakri. So no,
All these students will be
the
beneficial.
Students, yes.
They can attend at
Students
the
from different areas of the
EMO
department.
you sign, you know?
Sorry, sir.
EMO you sign, Punjab branch and Bharat.
MOU have you signed? They're
Yes,
asking
sir.
that.
We have.
क्या उसमें EMO में क्या है?
So see, if we want just so with this facility, if we see about the students in-house, they can do both the things, that is higher secondary as well as the competitive preparations. So if I'm just speaking about the timings, it is going to be from 8:30 to 3:30. Okay, where in this meanwhile, both Aakash teachers from Panjim will be going and teaching over there, and there will also be the faculties recruited from Bharat Academy who will be taking care for their board supports. Okay, so all the board activities, lab, language support, even the core subjects will be taught by Bharat Academy. Along with that, for 3 hours of duration in that same day, for 4 days in a week, our teachers will be traveling from here, giving that same facility, what is being given in Panjim, to those students who are studying there. So all the competitive preparations, if you see, we didn't have any core preparation in Sanklem and Bishwadim region. That will be now active for these students.
CM and assurance, whatever, देखो आपको CM में कुछ ऐसा assurance दिया है क्योंकि आपने साकरी में ज़्यादा फोकस किया है आपने.
So see, we had our presence in Ponda, Madgaon, Mapsa, Panjim. That was the only region where Aakash was not there right now. So that was a long-term plan to start over there.
ये पीछे भी वहाँ पे होने वाली थी CM के साथ.
Sorry, sir.
This PC was supposed to be लेने वाली थी.
I didn't get your question, sir. Sorry.
This PC, which is current PC, it was supposed to be with Chief Minister.
No, sir. No.
We are working with Bharat Academy. Bharat Academy is the school.
Okay.
No.